Hi, this is Jordan from Kitech Packing Machinery. So today I'm going to show you our new design drip coffee packing machine. So as we can see, this is finished packages made by our machine, and this is drip coffee bags. And we can also use this machine to pack the drip coffee bags inside the outer packages. Okay, so as we can see, this machine will dispense the coffee powder from here, and then the drip coffee bags will be closed here. By the way, our machine will use ultrasonic sealing system to close the drip coffee bags. And the drip coffee bags will be dropped inside auto sachet from this system. So we call this whole system auto bags packing system. Besides, we can also add a nitrogen flushing system to the machine. So as we know, the nitrogen flushing will keep the coffee flavor and extend the coffee bag's shelf life. Okay, so finally, if you want to know more details about our machine, welcome to send us inquiry on Alibaba. Thank you.